Basically, this trailer was a derelict, and it's had to be completely rebuilt, rewelded, cut and grinded. This was done here because you couldn't load anything on there without the car going on, hitting it, because it was with these rails were that. So everything was moved back a few feet, tapered. The axles were damaged, so that had to be and it's ramp now removable. To cut the rods so that they are removable and bent, welded on, and LED lighting was installed. So we have some lighting guides so that you can see for backing up. Get the trailer attached. Alloy wheel tires were put on, and the fenders were made and widened so that the 15-inch tires could fit. Here's the loops, and then the running lights were put on and actually a plate welded to put them in. And then there's attachments for the machine. The another thing was the this mount for a winch, and then the attachment here was put on. That was new too, and then wiring for the 7-way plug. Also, electric brakes were installed as well for this.